Of projects of this scale and complexity, it doesn't come down to only one or two individuals. It comes down to many, many people working together at every level of the project to make it a success.
We as a team knew we had large pressures on us to deliver a quality building and a new piece of infrastructure for Sydney that would be, put Sydney on the mark in terms of exhibition and convention space.
We had a really great experience working with our design partners with Populous and then also working with our contractors and suppliers at Knauf.
Knauf provided the design and specification support for the partitions and ceilings.
I think having Knauf as a handy expert at the table, we were able to discuss really the options from the very technical fire requirements right through to the performance of highly durable walls and spaces.
Every single building had different acoustic requirements, and so we needed to work through each of those different requirements and see if we could find solutions using standard systems rather than trying to build up bespoke systems for every unique requirement.
They've allowed us to be involved at the very early stages of the design, which is really what we're after, because we can spot the problems that may occur later on, which really helped us to streamline the design of the partitions and ceilings.
Working with Knauf, they were able to bring some solutions to the table. We had design requirements, and we actually did have a whole number of drawn solutions which were informed by our acoustic designers. But working with Knauf, we're able to simplify that. We're able to reduce costs within that.
Our TrueRock multi-purpose board helped us to reduce the 130 wall types into 80 different wall types in the end, which helped both the architects and the construction team on site. And also our K-spec specification development tool helped us to get back with all the design requirements quite fast, so that the job is not withheld because of delays in the documentation provided to the architects.
It's something that I'm extraordinarily proud of, but I think everyone who's been involved in the project should be extraordinarily proud of as well.
It was a very challenging and complex project, and as Knauf we really like dealing with these challenging projects, so I was very happy to be part of such a special project.
I'm really very proud of our efforts as a huge collaborative team on the ICC Sydney. It was one of those projects that is a landmark now for Sydney, but also a landmark for many of us involved and those who will experience it in the future.